The Tesla mobile app lets you customize your home screen with quick controls, providing easy access to frequently used functions like climate control, charging, and security. These controls give you quick access to vehicle functions such as locking and unlocking the car, adjusting the interior temperature, starting the vehicle, and viewing charging progress. As of December 2025, this feature has been enhanced with smart home integrations and AI-powered personalization. This video will show you how to customize these shortcuts for seamless vehicle interaction. To start customizing quick controls in the Tesla app, first open the app on your iOS or Android device. Look for the Tesla logo to launch the application. Once the app is open, navigate to the Settings menu. This is typically found in the bottom navigation or accessed via the menu button. In Settings, select the Home Screen option to access customization features. Finally, tap on Add Quick Control. This will display a grid of available widget options for you to choose from. Make sure you have the latest version of the Tesla app installed, such as version 4.28.0 or higher, to access all available quick control features and ensure compatibility. You can add up to 12 customizable widgets to your home screen for quick access to your Tesla's features. These widgets are organized into categories including vehicle controls like lock, unlock, and honk. Climate controls allow you to adjust temperature settings. Charging options let you start or stop charging remotely. Security features include Sentry Mode for vehicle monitoring. Advanced options include diagnostics and the summon feature. As of 2025, new options include smart home integration and energy dashboard widgets. Once you've selected your widgets, you can customize their labels and positions on the home screen. Simply tap and hold a widget to move it around. This allows you to prioritize the functions you use most frequently. The Tesla app interface shows your selected widgets on the home screen, like climate control and charging options. To reposition a widget, tap and hold it. You can then drag it to a new position to prioritize frequently used functions. You can also customize widget labels to make them more personal and clear. Ensure your Tesla account is active and connected to the internet for changes to sync properly via Tesla's cloud servers. The Tesla app leverages artificial intelligence to suggest shortcuts based on your usage patterns. By analyzing how you interact with the app, it learns your preferences and habits to provide more efficient recommendations. For example, during low battery alerts, the AI might automatically prioritize the Charge Now option. Watch how the battery level drops, triggering a smart suggestion. These AI-driven suggestions are designed to make your experience more efficient and tailored to your specific needs, helping you access the features you use most often. You can enable or disable these AI-driven suggestions in the app settings to control how personalized your experience becomes. To prevent unauthorized access, biometric authentication, such as Face ID or Touch ID, is now mandatory for quick controls in the Tesla app. This security enhancement was implemented in response to rising cyber threats, ensuring that only you can control your vehicle through the app. You'll be prompted to set up biometric authentication when you first customize your quick controls. A major trend in the Tesla app is the integration of Tesla vehicles with smart home ecosystems like Matter. This allows seamless connectivity between your vehicle and home devices. The Matter standard enables cross-platform compatibility, allowing Tesla controls to work with devices from Google, Apple, and Amazon. This creates a unified smart home experience. Quick controls now include toggles for connected devices, allowing you to adjust home lights via the Tesla app when arriving home. This integration enhances convenience and energy management. By integrating with your smart home, the app can optimize energy usage. Watch as adjusting home lights affects overall energy consumption in real time. Future updates may include predictive shortcuts powered by Tesla's AI, such as auto-scheduling charges based on energy prices or suggesting climate settings. Tesla has hinted at augmented reality overlays in future app versions, allowing users to visualize vehicle status via smartphone cameras, creating immersive controls. This could enhance how you interact with your Tesla, bridging the gap between the vehicle's dashboard and the mobile app for a more integrated experience. If you encounter issues with widget syncing, ensure your app is up to date and your internet connection is stable. Minor bugs in widget syncing have been reported, but Tesla typically releases patches to address these issues quickly. Regularly check for app updates to ensure optimal performance and access to the latest features.